So this is B. Nageshwara. Subject is information security. Information security, information we need to keep secure here. So for that we have to have different techniques. So we will discuss in the classes. And then mainly for in this class, symmetric encryption. Symmetric is nothing but we can say the conventional or private or single key. It means here both when message is converting plain to cipher, secure format, then both sender and receiver should use the same key. That is what symmetric encryption, and you can say the private key, single key, and all. Here one thing you have to know that sender and receiver both use the same key here for encryption and decryption. That is the main important here. So and here sender is encrypt the message by using the secret key, and the same key used by the receiver for decryption. So this is the symmetric encryption. Then here we have to have that 5 ingredients. So there are 5 ingredients are there, which is the plain text, cipher key, cipher algorithm, key, and cipher decipher. These are ingredients. So here plain text is nothing but here is a original message. So sender is having, suppose both sender and receiver wants to communicate each other over the network by using a message. So here sender is having plain text, which is original message, and that is readable, and cipher text, which is coded message. It means that is secure message. We can say that, right? Codable message, coded message. And the cipher algorithm, we use here algorithm and a secret key, and we encrypt the message. So plain text is converted into cipher text by using the encryption function, that we can say the encrypt, right? So converting plain text into cipher text. This cipher is nothing but recovering cipher text from plain text. So encipher or encrypt is nothing but plain text is converted into cipher text. So decipher, decrypt is nothing but converting cipher text into plain text, right? And so here we have the principle, which is a cryptographic principles and all. And here you can see that the figure, symmetric cipher model. So here a very clear picture is there. You can see there is a sender, and here receiver is there. Sender is having plain text, and we can see here encryption algorithm. So encryption algorithm, which we can say the example is DES algorithm, which is symmetric algorithm. So here DES algorithm takes 2 inputs. One is the plain text, another one is the secret key. So these 2 inputs as plain text as well as key, these 2 are input to the encryption algorithm, and it convert into cipher text, and this cipher text will be transmitted over the network. That is transmitted cipher text. And receiver side, you can see that same algorithm is used, decryption, and same key. To say that here main important is secret key. So whatever key is used by sender for encryption, same key used by receiver for decryption. So this is exactly reverse of encryption algorithm. So, and finally we can see here plain text as output. This is receiver side. So here in this process, symmetric cipher model, so plain text is sender is having plain text, which is input, and this when plain text and key both are input is algorithm. Here we have to remember that the key which we are using for encryption, and the same key used by receiver for decryption. That is the main important thing here. And this is secret key shared by both sender and receiver, and this secret key is transmitted from sender to receiver by the trusted third party. So this is the overview of the symmetric cipher. So, and here the requirements is very important. Here by seeing this, we have to know that we need 2 requirements for secure use of symmetric encryption. What are the 2 requirements? Very strong encryption algorithm we require here, and secret key also required here, and this secret key is known to only sender and receiver. So 2 things we need to require here. One is a strong encryption algorithm, and another one is secret key for convert plain text into cipher text. So these 2 things, and if we can represent this this converting plain text into ciphertext mathematically also, you can see here y equal to e k of x. It means here x is the plain text, x and k are input here. So e k of x that equal to y. Y is nothing but ciphertext. Or you can keep p is the plain text and k and e k of p is that equal to y. C ciphertext. That is the equation y equal to e k of x. That is the converting plain text into ciphertext. And then next same reverse of that decryption dk of y equal to x. That is the plain text.